Hi guys, good morning. So I'm here today sa Persimmons kay remember about few weeks ago nakadaog ang amuhang team sa cheer dance competition and today we will be celebrating. So I'm here at Persimmons kay dungan mi ni Miss Adlin going to West Town Lagoon. So I just arrived and I'm going inside 7-Eleven. Okay. Hi. Okay, so wala, nag-video lang ako. So, we're on our way to West Town Lagoon. Okay, see you later.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Okay, so nag-grab namin ni Miss Adlin. Hi, Miss. Nagduwa siya Pokemon Go. So, we're on our way to West Town Lagoon and naana sila dito naguna. And kay panggutom na daw sila. Nangaon na sila ug na dito. So, we'll catch up and we're here sa Mandawi area siguro ni. Almost there. So, the kind of mga construction ongoing and we'll see you guys there. Bye. Okay, we just arrived here sa West Town Lagoon and si Miss Edlin sa Picas and we're going inside and of course na daw entrance fee na 350 pesos. So we're lining up and later pangitaw na to sila sila dapit nagtambay. Okay, sige. So let's have a quick tour later and we'll see you soon. Okay, so nanami diri outside and register na si Miss Adlin and in a few ngita namin sa among kauban sila kung suroyon. Okay, so okay na ka. We're inside and namo na silang pangitao nagaha sila dapit and tiyo kon ginamo ning tibuok premises. So may idea ha sila karon and we'll see on sila dapit. Okay, so we'll be back kung makita na namo sila. Okay, see you later. Nakita na namo sila and at the back nagpictorial. So these are the team and magsugba-sugbasad sila diri nga side. So later mag-ligo namin kasi we're here for fun and lingaw. So hello. Hi guys, video. Hey. Wala. Video lang. Okay.
Ang mga dakilang
Yeah. Hey. So, arita din na diri. Kasi Ben nag-take og pictures and mga girls nag-pictorial. So, change location. There is on my pool side, so we're just gonna follow them and see kung sa ilahang mga kalingawan during the pita, okay? Alright, so we're here sa poolside and nag-pictorial sila, ang mga girls. So, in a few, mahumanan na sila.
Ana. Lingi ang laundry ka na. Ana haling ana.
Okay.
Ana ha.
1, 2, 3, smile!
1, 2, 3, smile. Sapa.
We're here sa, again, West Town Lagoon. There is sa may Mandawi area. And right now, naata there is sa ilang slides. So, dahil muna ilang tower and then just because it's slides. Naiduha ka slides. And later, maligo ko after we do our tour. So, right now, what we're gonna do is to get a tour of the place. So, we're gonna roam around the vicinity and check the places. So, poolside and there is a Miss Edlin, padung na siya maligo. So, on this side here, na ay jacuzzi. So, duha siya kabuok lahang jacuzzi. And again, muna yung pool. So, synthetic or man-made na boulders on the side. And it's very good to look at. Nice and view. And actually, first time ako diri sa West Town Lagoon kay walang ko time to visit, and of course I don't want to spend extra unnecessarily. So right now, victory party, so mahog siya nga libre. So that's why I opted to come here. And this is the place. The reason akong left side is kiddie pool. So naay mga slides nga pang kids. I think na siya kalaw. 3 or 4 feet na siguro na siya kalaw mo. And nasa yung mga villa and rooms. Kami sila. Mga rooms na siya. And look at this giant statue right here. I'm not sure if it's Egyptian inspired or Aztec. I think Aztec. Right? Or Mayan. I don't know. So that's the kiddie pool side. And we're going to the third pool, which is very nice. Kinaay daho kay nga dragon. So again, aside there is the kiddie pools, and I'm heading towards the other part of the pool. Okay, hello again. So akong gi-cut kadiyot ang video kay na music and basin ma copyright strike ta. So just to avoid that, I just cut the video kadiyot. So before we arrive sa third pool, so nasad sila kanang murag playground for children. Kung siya sa akong likod. So kids can play in that area. And right now we're here sa third pool, and that's what I've said. There are dragons den. So pang Game of Thrones kaya siya kay tulok kabuk iyahang dragon. Ay, biday. Upat. Maybe inspired by How to Train Your Dragon. I'm not sure. But medieval lahang theme. Dire so kana sa medieval castle, and may underground system. So on that side there has some mga bata. So far murag mabawra ni siya diri nga place. Kay it's also kids pool, maybe 2 or 3 feet na siguro na siya kalawmon. And Ano naman yung mga attraction dali? I'm not sure. We'll try to go around and then may tatag place nga matanawan if napaslailain ng mga features that you can enjoy. Right, so maglakaw-lakaw sa kudri guys ha. And I'll be back in a few. Alright, so we're here sa main entrance area. Katong ahat-rapit may sulod. So, na ilang signage. And again, nasa mga carvings. I'm not sure if carvings hindi na siya tawagan. But, siya totem pole. Indian, Aztec, Mayan, something inspired. Art. So, mana siya. And, sa main entrance dito makita ang kids pool, and on this side here so atong gitour ganiha nga slides. So nato siya ang mga slides, and this looks very very awesome. So I think we're gonna stop right here because of course I also want to enjoy the place together with the team members. And hope you have a great day. So we just had our lunch, and earlier mato nagligo-ligo usad mi, and pahuway lang ko pag gamay karon. So going back to our Tingnihik advocacy. So as you all know, I live in Banawa, and nagsabot mi ni Miss Adeline nga magdungan mi og ari diri sa West Town Lagoon. So I thought of several ways nga makaadto og persimmons kay dito man siya nagtulo. So moto dito mi mag-meet up. So I thought of ways kung asa ko mas makasave going to Persimmon. So I have options, mag-jeep, mag-taxi, mag-angkas, and sa pa diha. So the least ako nang mas convenient nga option nga akong gipili is I took a beep nga bus. So from Banawa to Landers, that's just 10 pesos. And then, pag abot sa Landers, dito ako nag-book og angkas. And so, I only paid 26 pesos going to Persimmons. And then, from Persimmons to here, West Town Lagoon, nag-book me og Grab car ni Miss Adlin. And I think, ang nabayaran is 120 something. So, mas dako gyud siya na save compared to hailing a taxi or a Grab car from Banawa going to Persimmons and then right here pagyud sa West Town Lagoon. So, moto siya I think mas efficient and mas effective nga way of coming here sa West Town Lagoon. Alright, so igabot ninyo diri sa West Town Lagoon. Again, ay entrance nga 350 pesos. So, ang kana siyang amount is na complimentary drink. It's either mga canned na drink. So, you can have Coke or soda or pwede sa daw beer or whatnot. Kanin ninyo. So, if ever sa inyong trip for that day, then you can get your complimentary drink. You can claim it by keeping your stub. So, pag bayad ninyo 350, you'll be provided with a blue stub. And then, kato siyang stub is na siya'y mo tayo gamiton pag-claim sa imuhang complimentary ticket. And then, naa sila yung mga for rent ng mga cottages. And na-apoy, I think, libre running na diri sa kilid kita mag-occupy. So, mura siya ka ng ordinary lang at tent, which is, I think, libre ra daw. And then, pero, opo lagi, you have to sacrifice the convenience kayo. Alimot, yun kayo siya, knowing mura ka trapal ra ang iyahang material sa iyahang tent. So, it could be alimot jud. But, of course, that's an exchange of not spending money here just to kanyang stayhan. So, naapoy mga rooms for rent, overnight stay, I don't know pila. But you can check on their Facebook page, I guess, or if not la website, you can go directly to the website. And so, later, maligo na po balik, and of course, buto man na siya right after mga unasad ni. So, it's so far, again, since this is my first time coming here sa West Town Lagoon, so far, I've enjoyed the place, and I think, kuha na siya, kanang sulit ra sa mong bayad. So, I guess that's all for today, and see you next week or some other weeks na mag-upload na sa video. And thank you so much for tuning in. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and push that notification bell button as well para ma-notify mo every time I upload a new video. Again, thank you so much and hope you have a great day. Bye!